Hi everyone, and welcome back to She's in the Kitchen. For today's video, we are going to learn how to make peanut butter cookies. And I'm super excited about this recipe because it only contains 3 ingredients. And you guys know how much I love recipes that have minimal ingredients. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it. Ingredients: peanut butter, brown sugar, and 1 egg. Okay, so before we mix all of our ingredients together, make sure you turn on your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, I'm going to add the brown sugar, peanut butter, and 1 egg. We're gonna mix the ingredients until combined. All right, so our cookie dough should look something like this. I will be using a baking sheet and I just added some parchment paper. Okay, now it's time to roll up our dough. Okay, and now using a fork, we are going to make that crisscross design. Okay, now our cookies are ready to be baked in the oven at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. All right, so these peanut butter cookies turned out amazing. It's incredible that only with 3 ingredients we can make such delicious cookies. These peanut butter cookies are soft and sweet, and you can taste that rich peanut butter taste in every single bite. And with that brown sugar, it makes it extra moist. So again, I highly recommend this recipe. 10 out of 10, so easy to make. Well, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching this recipe. As I mentioned many times throughout my video, of how amazing it is, how easy it is, and how delicious these cookies turned out. Oh my gosh. So I highly recommend this recipe. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's super easy, especially for you busy people out there that are either moms or you have a lot of working hours. This recipe is so easy to make. It doesn't take a long time, and they turned out so good. You will definitely blow everyone away if you bring this to any party or if you're hosting. People will love these cookies. I will leave all the ingredients down below in the description box. I will leave the measurements as well as the ingredients. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.